Number 6 says this technical notice sets out that the legal regime which will continue to apply at the border is the Schengen Border Code, but that what will change is that UK citizens, including Gibraltarians, will become third country nationals for the EU and therefore subject to a different regime of controls. These could see the wet stamping of passports when entering or exiting the Schengen area and the scanning of documents against the Schengen information system. Stays in the area could also be limited to 90 days in any 180-day period, and third country nationals can be questioned as to their reasons for entering. They can also face inquiries as to the conditions of their intended stay in Schengen, and checks to ensure they have means of subsistence while there. The ETIAS travel pre-authorization system, similar to the US ESTA, could also be applied from 2022. The technical notice says it is clear that if a negotiated solution to the future operation of the land border cannot be agreed, this would severely affect border fluidity, with the worst-case scenario seeing long delays becoming inevitable when crossing the border in either direction. The government says the public must start to plan for these potential changes to cross-frontier movement. Number 6 says the status quo is not an option. The options are either an agreement on mobility across the border or no agreement, with consequences to follow. It goes on to say that it is precisely in order to avoid these consequences that it continues to explore different types of association between Gibraltar and the Schengen area, which would permit more fluidity of movement for people across the border as from next year. The objective, it says, is to find and agree on solutions which do not impinge on sovereignty, jurisdiction or control. The government says it will continue to work towards an agreement using its best efforts and all the political goodwill in the world. The full technical notice is available on our website, gbc.gi.